Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your designs pop? I'll show you how to add awesome perspective in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size from the options. Enter your preferred height and width values in the provided fields. This allows you to set the exact dimensions you need for your project. Confirm your settings to begin editing. Click Create New Design. Next, look for the Apps option in the sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar that appears, type the name of the app you'd like to add to your design project. To transform an image, first select the image you want to use. Click on the image to highlight it. Make sure it's the correct one, then proceed with your desired transformation from the available editing options. Choose a file to upload. Supported formats include JPG, PNG, and WebDT. For this example, we'll select this image. After selecting your file, you'll see a preview appear on the screen. You can zoom in to get a closer look at specific details, or zoom out to view the entire image. Adjust the zoom level as needed until you're satisfied with the view. When you're ready, proceed to the next step. Next, simply drag and drop the file into the designated area to continue. To change the image, first select the new image you want. Click Add to Design to insert it onto your canvas. Now you'll see the new image displayed. To add another image, repeat the process by choosing a different image and clicking Add to Design again. After you've finished your design, click the Share button located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select the Download option. Choose your preferred file format, either PNG for images or PDF for documents. Adjust any additional settings as needed, such as size or quality. Then click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Click the X button in the top right corner to close the application and end your current session immediately. You've learned how to add perspective to your Canva designs. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.